Create customer data. A customer is a business partner to which goods and services are sold and delivered. A business partner can be a customer and a supplier at the same time. If, for example, your customer also supplies goods to you, a customer master holds information about the customer, such as their name, address, bank details, tax details, and delivery and billing preferences. This customer information is used and stored in transactions such as sales orders, deliveries, and invoices. Some customer information is specific to a particular company, known as company code, or sales unit, known as sales area, within our organization. Business partner function. The business partner function determines the right and responsibilities of each partner in a business transaction. For example, partner functions in sales and distribution are sold to party, shipped to party, and so on. Account group. Account groups are leading control parameters for creating the ERP data segments of a customer master record. Currently, the only supported accounts group for customer master data is CUST. CUST. Business partner grouping and number ranges. Business partner grouping determines the number ranges for the business partner IDs. You cannot change the segment or IDs afterwards. If a business partner grouping is assigned to an internal number range, you cannot enter the business partner ID manually. In this case, leave the field blank as a system automatically chooses a number from the assigned numeric number range. We have two options to create customer master data: maintain business partner, manage customer master data. Maintain business partner general data. Log on to SAP Fiori Launchpad as a master data specialist. Business partner data. Open Maintain Business Partner BP. Choose Organization. Make the following entries: Business Partner A1, 2, 3. Grouping. Select, for example, BPAB. External alphanumeric numbering. The Create in BP role field is filled by the system with the business partner general role. Keep this setting. Press Enter. On the Address tab, in the Name section, enter the following data. Title 0003 Company. Name Microsoft LLP. In the Standard Address section, enter the address. In the Street Address section, choose More fields. Enter the following data. Time zone, India. Region, AP. Transportation zone, 000000002 South. In the Street Address section, choose More and enter the following data. Billing code 10. Room 3, Floor 10, Street 2, High-Tech City. Street 3, Madhapur. Street, Madhapur Road. House number 232. Different city, not a valve. District, not a valve. City, Hyderabad. Postal code, 550,000. Telephone, 9 all zeros. On the address tab, in the search terms section, enter one or two search terms for the business partner. On the identification tab, in the industries section, choose all the industry system, enter the following data. Industry system, select software. Industry 63, standard industry not selected. On the identification tab, in the tax numbers section, enter the following data. Category IN3 GST. Tax number 37 AAA CP 1206 G1 ZW. Choose the current category applicable for the business partners, country, or region. On the Payment Transaction tab, in the Bank Details section, enter the following data. Bank key HDFC 0000062. Bank account 1234 Bank keys must be defined beforehand. Use the value help for more information on allowed entries in this field. Save your entries. Maintain business partner company code data. Log on to SAP Fiori Launchpad as a master data specialist. Business partner data. Open Maintain business partner BP. Search and open the business partner customer that you created in the previous step. Creating customer master data, general data. Choose switch between display and change F6 to switch to change mode. In the change in BP role field, choose the following value. Customer, financial accounting. Choose company code. Enter the company code. On the Customer Account Management tab, in the Account Management section, make the following entries. Reconciliation account 12,100,000 customers domestic receivables sort key 031. On the Customer Payment Transaction tab, in the Payment Data section, make an entry for the following field. Terms of Payment 0001. On the Customer Payment Transaction tab, in the Automatic Payment Transaction section, make the entries for the following fields: payment methods, T. Bank transfer, House Bank, INB K1. Press F4 to open the section in the field Payment Methods. On the Customer Correspondence tab, in the Correspondence section, make the following entries: Accounting Clerk 01, Account at Customer 1810-B123. Save your entries. Maintain Business Partner Sales Data. Log on to the SAP Fiori Launchpad as a Master Data Specialist, Business Partner Data. Open Maintain Business Partner BP. Choose to switch between display and change F6 to switch to change mode. In the Change BP role field, choose the following value: Customer. The technical key of the business partner role is FLCU01. Choose Sales and Distribution on the screen. Make the following entries: Sales Organization 1810, District Channel 10, Division 00. These three entries, Sales Organization, Distribution Channel, and Division, from the sales area. In many cases, the sales area sets the purpose for sales processing, for example, within the sales order or pricing. On the Order tab, in the Order section, make the following entries: Currency INR. On the Shipping tab, in the Shipping section, make the following entries: Delivery Priority 02 is normal. Delivering Plant 1810. Shipping Conditions 01. On the Billing tab, in the Delivery and Payment Term section, makes the following entries: Incoterms EXW Xworks. You can maintain the Incoterm value and provide its description. The fields for Incoterms are interdependent. For example, if you maintain the value for the Incoterms field, you need to provide information for the Incoterms LOC.1 ID and Incoterms location 1 fields as well. Terms of Payment 0001. Pay immediately. WO deduction. The terms of payment defined here are copied into a sales order and are used instead of terms of payment defined on the company code level. In the Accounting section, make the following entries: Domestic customers may be assigned to Account Assignment Group 01, and foreign customers may be assigned to Account Assignment Group 02. Go to the value, keep to see more options. In the Output Tax section, select the following values for the existing entry in the tab. Tax classification 0. GST registered. For example, value 1 means that this customer is not registered. On the Partner Functions tab, the following 4 standard partner functions are available for the customer. You can create the 4 partner functions: SP, sold to party; BP, bill to party; PY, payer; SH, ship to party. The 4 partner functions mentioned above are the minimum set of partner functions that must be assigned to a customer master data record to work in a standard sale and distribution process. In the customer tax text field, enter the details of the sales data. Note that this is a read-only field used to edit text, option to modify the long text. Choose General Data on the screen. On the Customer General Data tab, in the Marketing section, make the following entries. Customer Classific. Select a customer classification. Save your entries. Manage Customer Master Data. Option 2. Manage Customer Master Data General Data. Log on to SAP Fiori Launchpad as the Master Data Specialist. Business Partner Data. Open Manage Customer Master Data. On the Customer Master screen, choose Create Organization. On the Create Organization screen, make the following general information entries. Business partner, for example, D123. That is, any external alphanumeric ID, as this must start with a letter. Grouping, for example, B, P, A, B. You must assign each business partner to a grouping when you create the business partner record. The grouping determines the number range. You cannot change the assignment afterwards. Business partner role. Select a role, for example, FLCU01 customer. The customer must be created either with the business partner role, FLC00 customer, financial accounting, or with the business partner role, FLCU01 customer, or with both the roles. The business partner role, FLCU00 customer, financial accounting, is used in financial accounting, and the business partner role, FLCU01 customer, is used in sales. Title, for example, company 0003. Name, Microsoft LLP. Standard address. Country or region, for example, IN. Region AP. Language, for example, EN. On the Create Organization screen, choose OK. On the New Customer screen, choose Roles. In the role section, choose Create. And make the following entries. Business partner role. Select the additional role. For example, FLCU00 Customer Financial Accounting. A customer must be created either with the business partner role FLCU00 Customer Financial Accounting or with the business partner role FLCU01 Customer or with both the roles. The business partner role FLCU00 Customer Financial Accounting is used in financial accounting and the business partner role FLCU01 Customer is used in sales. On the new customer screen, choose Basic Data and go to the Customer Information section. In the Customer Information section, make the following entries. Customer classification, for example, A. Customer. Customer account group. Customer account group. When the business partner grouping allows for a flexible account group assignment, you can choose the account group to be used and deviate from the proposed value. On the new customer screen, choose Basic Data and go to the Additional Information section. Express Station. Express Station name. Plant. Company industry code 0001. Condition group not applicable. On the new customer screen, choose address and go to the standard address section. In the standard address section, make the following entries. Street, Madhapur. Select the country or region if you have not done so in step 4. House number 200. Postal code 550. City, for example, Hyderabad. Region AP. Standard communication. Select the language. EN. Cell phone 9, all zeros. On the new customer screen, choose bank accounts. Choose Create. On the new bank account screen, make the following entries and choose Apply ID. For example, BNK1. Bank country IN. Bank key HDFC 00000062. Account number 1234 Make entries for all other fields for bank data based on your requirements. On the new customer screen, choose Text. In the text section, choose Create. Language EN. IDs TX01. Long testing. Choose Basic Data. Additional customers. In the Additional Customers section, choose Create. Add the required data as described in the steps above. This scenario is for multiple assignments of customers to the same business partner, and hence the same master data as described in the steps above applies. If additional data such as sales data and company code data is required, refer to the preceding sections which describe, for example, how to add sales data and company code data. Choose Create. Manage Customer Master Data, Company Code Data. Log on to the SAP Fiori Launchpad as a Master Data Specialist, Business Partner Data. Open Manage Customer Master Data. Search and open the business partner customer that you created in the previous chapter, Creating Customer Master Data, General Data. Choose Edit. On the Customer Master screen, choose the Company Codes tab. In the Company Code section, choose Create. On the new Company Code screen, make the following entries. Company Code 1810. On the Correspondence tab, Accounting Clerk 01. On the Finance tab, Finance Accounting, Reconciliation Account 121-00000, Receivables Domestic, Sort Key 009, External Document Number, Finance, Payment Data, Payment Terms, for example 001, Credit Memo Payment Terms, for example 002, Finance Automatic Payment Transaction, Payment Method Bank Transfer T. On the Dunning Data tab, Dunning Area, Organizational Unit that you use to process the Dunning program, for example, by the division or sales organization. Dunning procedure, Dunning block, Dunning receipt, Dunning clerk. Choose from the value help. Dunning level, for example, 0. Last done 10/12/2024. Legal Dunning Procedure Form 27/12/2024. On the Text tab, Language English EN, ID 01, Long Text, Choose Apply and choose Save. Manage Customer Master Data, Sales Data. Log on to SAP Fiori Launchpad as a Master Data Specialist, Business Partner Data. Open Manage Customer Master Data. Search and open the business partner customer that you created in the previous section, Transaction, Creating Customer Master Data, General Data. Choose Edit. On the Customer Master screen, choose Sales Area. The sales area tab is only available if the business partner has the role FLCU01 customer. In the sales area section, choose create. On the new sales area screen, make the following entries. General data. Sales organization 1810. If you select the sales organization from the value help, the following fields distribution, channel, and division are entered automatically. Channel Z10. Distribution channel 10. Division, for example, 00. Sales area details. Sales area details sales orders. Account at customer 1810 CUST01. Currency IN, INR. Sales area details billing. Incoterms, for example, EXW. Incoterms location 1, for example, EX work. Payment terms 0001. Sales area details shipping. Delivery priority normal. Delivery planned, for example, 1810. Shipping conditions immediately. Sales area details accounting. Account assignment group. Domestic revenues. Sales area details pricing and statistics. Customer pricing procedure. Procedure 01. On the new sales area screen, choose text. In the text section, choose create and make the following entries. Language EN, ID 01, long text, enter a long text. On the new sales area screen, choose taxes. In the taxes section, choose the entry for a country or a region, for example, IN, India. On the general data screen, make the following entry. Tax clarification. Classification selects, for example, GST registered 0. Choose apply. On the new sales area screen, choose partner functions. In the partner function section, choose add the following partner roles. 2 characteristics of partner role keys are language dependent. The keys documented here are valid for logon language English. In other languages, these keys may be different. For example, the 2-character partner role keys in German are AG for sold to, WE for ship to, RE for bill to, RG for payer. Partner role ship to party, partner role ship to party, partner role billing to party, partner role PY payer. Choose apply. Make sure that the system message draft updated displays at the bottom of the view before you return to the main menu. Choose save.